Bloomberg Tax Technology offers a powerful sales tax solution, but before you make a purchase, here are 12 things you need to know. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how it stacks up against competitors and whether it's the right choice for you. First off, Bloomberg Tax Technology is a comprehensive platform that automates sales tax calculations, ensuring your business stays compliant with ever-changing tax regulations. What sets it apart from competitors like Avalara and TaxJar is its robust integration with accounting platforms like QuickBooks and SAP, making it a great option for large businesses with complex systems. Next, the software excels in accuracy, reducing the chances of errors that can lead to costly penalties. The system constantly updates to reflect the latest tax rates, ensuring you're always up to date. This feature outshines competitors like Sovos, which doesn't provide updates quite as frequently. The third thing you should know is that Bloomberg Tax offers detailed reporting features, allowing you to generate custom reports for tax filings and audits. It's a huge advantage over platforms like Taxify, which has fewer customization options in reporting. Another benefit is its user-friendly interface. Bloomberg Tax is designed to be intuitive, reducing the learning curve compared to more complex tools like Vertex, which can be harder to navigate for new users. Moving on, Bloomberg Tax Technology also integrates with major e-commerce platforms like Shopify and Magento. This seamless integration simplifies sales tax compliance for online retailers, and while competitors like TaxJar also offer integrations, Bloomberg's are known for being particularly smooth and reliable. One more thing to consider is its scalability. Whether you're a small business or a large enterprise, Bloomberg Tax can handle your needs. This scalability gives it an edge over platforms like TaxCloud, which can struggle with larger, more complex businesses. Next, Bloomberg Tax provides solid customer support. Their team is available for assistance through phone, email, and live chat, which is something some of its competitors, such as Avalara, can sometimes lag behind on. The platform also supports multi-jurisdictional tax compliance, which is essential for businesses that operate in multiple states or countries. While TaxJar handles state-level tax, Bloomberg Tax goes beyond with more extensive multi-jurisdictional support, making it a better fit for global businesses. Moving forward, the cost structure of Bloomberg Tax is something to keep in mind. It is often more expensive than options like TaxJar or Avalara, but for businesses that need comprehensive features and high accuracy, the price might be justified. Another important factor is the platform's flexibility in adjusting tax rules. Bloomberg allows you to customize tax settings in a way that suits your business operations, which competitors like Sovos don't offer as easily. As for the setup process, while it can take time to fully implement, Bloomberg Tax has a dedicated onboarding team to help get you started. For companies looking for quicker solutions, TaxJar might be a better fit, as it's faster to implement for smaller operations. A final thing you need to know is Bloomberg Tax Technology is backed by Bloomberg's reputation in financial services, adding an extra layer of trustworthiness compared to newer or smaller players like TaxCloud. In conclusion, Bloomberg Tax Technology is a solid choice for businesses looking for comprehensive and scalable sales tax automation. However, if you're looking for something more cost-effective or easier to set up, we recommend checking out our alternative solution, which you can try for free.